What's going on, guys? What's cracking? So finally, I've gotten my turbo kit back from Powerhouse Racing. First off, thank you, Sam. Thank you, Robert. Wouldn't be possible without you guys. Powerhouse Racing and Real Street Performance, you guys killed it. So thank you guys very much. I've got the turbo part here. I've got the powder coated intercooler piping there. And I've got my buddy Grady here. Grady's going to help. He's going to help me here today, which he's super fucking excited about.
Oh yeah.
I've already started assembling it. So I've got the downpipe on right now. What we're gonna do here next is get underneath the car, kind of get everything mounted up and leave it kind of loose, just to make sure everything fits properly, and then crank it all down and start this bitch up today. We're gonna make loud noises today, Grady.
All right, man.
All right, so come on, Grady. He already said quit it. So guys, we couldn't record much because it's just the two of us today, and we're both trying to hammer this out. Grady, you the man. I don't care what everyone in Volvo says about you. You're all right. I'm gonna send this to everybody too, because you're on here and you're helping me out. Your old boss, your old buddy, your old pal.
You're welcome.
You miss Bumgarner, that's all it is.
No, it ain't.
Bullshit.
That faster.
Wow. I'm gonna send it to him too. Anyways, we've got it all buttoned up here, guys. Everything's lined up. Now, the only thing I don't have is the muffler that actually comes in tomorrow, so it's gonna be straight piped. So this is going to be loud. Really, really loud. But before we start it up, you wanna prime your system. So there's no oil in the system right now. So what you do is, you have these two 30 amp fuses here. You see the two 30 amp fuses there, guys? What you're gonna go ahead and do is yank those. The EFI number 1 there's the one you wanna do. So the EFI number 2 we don't have, so that 38 EFI number 1 is the one we're gonna yank. So it'll be this one here. We pull this. Now the reason is, I wanna prime the system with oil. So the turbo, everything, all the oil lines, feed lines, everything is dry right now, and you don't want to start your car like that, just to be safe. So this way the car doesn't start, you can check everything, check for oil leaks and all that good stuff, and make sure everything's all right. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna walk in the car here. All right, guys, so now again, the reason for doing that was to prime the system. I let it crank and crank and crank. The oil pump's forcing oil through the system this way, makes the feed line right here. The turbo itself full of oil. What most people usually do is they put a few drops of oil inside the actual turbo. It works, but I'd rather prime it. Get as much fluid in it as possible. You don't want to take any chances with stuff like this. The next thing we'll do is put the fuse back in, like so. Put the cover back on, which is over here. Grab this. And next up is to start the car. Gotta prime the system twice. Ready? her back on here, guys. Idle's nice. Air fuels are still good. Huh? Oh, dude, it's so loud now. It's so much louder. Wait, I just need to get the muffler on it, which is not much of a muffler, but still. Fucking T56 Magnum. Boca. This thing feels awesome. I'm so happy. It's a little loud. Guys, this thing is... Oh! Love it.
Jesus Christ! Stop?
Yep.
Think he can catch us?
Oh no. Letting out, it wants to overboost because it's not set up for tune for this car. Oh fucker, it stinks, boy.
It does stink.
Oh, it stinks something raunchy right now. Guys, this thing is, it's awesome. Grady, what do you think?
I love it, man.
Oh,
This thing is sick.
turn around here and take it back.
Good Lord.
Okay guys, so back in the garage right now with the car, and like if you guys saw it there, like I had such a good time. Everything's working flawlessly, guys. No leaks, no oil burning. The only thing I'm gonna have to mess with more is my oil feed line here. The way it runs down here, you can see I have plenty of room there. It's not touching anything right now, but it gets kind of close to the manifold underneath. It's kind of hard to see with everything mounted in there, but it gets kind of close, and I want to pull it away from it somehow. I'm not really sure how I'm going to go about it yet, but I need to move it some. So I'm just freaking beyond happy with the way this turned out. This is just awesome. Completely awesome. So guys, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so happy with this. I'm hoping to get some, I'm not hoping, I'm going to get a lot better videos with here once I get the exhaust on. I'm going to do specific exhaust videos, get a better mic just for that. I'm going to sit the camera down and like go over it so you guys can hear truly how the S23 manifold sounds like with the Powerhouse Racing exhaust. I like the way the car looks now and sits too. That big front mount in it is, that thing's insanely big. That's the one thing me and Matt were talking about. He was here yesterday, how big the front mount intercooler is now. Everything just tied in perfectly. Big shout out to everyone that's been helping with my car too. You know, Alan Kohler over at Odyssey Battery, thanks man for the help with the battery. Powerhouse Racing and Robert for the turbo kit. Empire Performance for the catch can. Like, the car has come so far. I wouldn't be able to do half this stuff without these sponsors, without people that are willing to help me and stand by my side. So thank you guys so much. Like usual guys, you guys know what to do. Go check out the Facebook, the Instagram. I'm always posting stuff way ahead of time on there. Keep coming along for the journey, guys. Next up is the MR2. We've still got more to do the Supra, of course. It's never gonna be ending. We're gonna do some more of the MR2 here, and then I've gotta start deciding what's gonna be the next car, because I don't know. I really wanted to sell like an all-track, but it's kind of getting burnt out on that idea now. It just doesn't, the cost end of it versus the reward end of it, it just doesn't seem to make much sense to me at this specific time. I had a ton of people tag me in that drug dealer's car that got impounded and stuff. It's a great car, but what people aren't realizing, all those cars are still federally legal. You can buy it, but you can't fucking drive it. You gotta take that car, it's a great parts car, but that's all it's good for. It's still federally legal, and me personally, I don't like taking those chances. It's not worth putting all that money into. For the government to come and go, look, this car's illegal, I'm taking it from you. So, guys, thank you very much. Go check out all the website and everything, and I will talk to you later. Peace!
There goes a sight from my soul.